Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Algebraic Expression, chapter 5. Before going to the start of algebraic expression, we should know something regarding the algebra and the points which are related to the algebra. Do you know what is algebra? In short form, generalized arithmetic is known as algebra. Meaning of that, suppose any arithmetic you are calculating and it is very vast of the calculation and long calculation, then instead of this long calculation, if you use some particular formula of the algebra, then it will be very easy for the calculation. Algebra is having some formula and identity. In this class, we'll read some things, and more in the higher class we'll read about the identity and the formula. Now, the algebra mainly consists of the two things. One is constant, another is the variable. What is constant? Constant is a term of algebra which have a fixed value. Any number are constant. 2, 5, minus 3, minus 2, 2 by 5, 7 by 3, minus 3 by 2. Any types of the number, because every number have a fixed value. So these are known as constant. When instead of the fixed value or number, we are using some symbol x, y, z, p, q, a, b, c, etc. Then these are known as variable. Suppose one example I will give you. X plus y is equal to z. X plus y is equal to z. If value of x is equal to 1 and value of y is equal to 2, then value of z is equal to 1 plus 2, 3. If value of x is equal to 5, value of y is equal to 10, then x plus y, that is 5 plus 10, z is equal to 15. If value of x is equal to 10, value of y is equal to minus 5, then 10 minus 5, value of z is equal to 5. Then you see, the x, y, z, the symbols have the different values. So these different values are known as variable. So what I have told my dear students, the algebra consists of the constant and variable. Now, when a 2 or more than 2 and sometimes 1 also, the algebraic terms are connected by plus, minus, multiply or divide symbol. Then this combination of the algebraic terms are known as algebraic expression. Suppose x plus y minus z. Here x is a term, y is a term and z is a term. And two types of the mathematical symbol we are using. One is plus, one is minus. What I have told? X plus y minus z. So this combination of the three terms are known as algebraic expression. Suppose I will write x square plus y square minus 9. Here x square is a term, y square is a term and 9 is a term. And I have used the two symbol plus and minus. X square plus y square minus 9. So this is a algebraic expression. It may contain only plus symbol, it may contain only minus symbol, only multiply symbol, only division symbol, or it may contain the combination of the two or more than two. This is known as algebraic expression. Now, if the algebraic expression is of one term, only one term, then this is said to be monomial. Suppose x y, 2x, x square. These are the all one term. So these are the monomial. If the algebraic expression contain two terms, x plus y, x minus 9, y minus z, they are the binomial. If the algebraic expression contain three terms, then they are the trinomial. Four term, then quadrinomial, and so on. So it is very difficult to learn 2 term, 3 term, 4 term, 1 term we can remind. 7 term, 8 term, 12 term is very difficult. So instead of that we are using the multinomial. So multinomial is a algebraic expression which contain two or more than two algebraic terms. Let us read up to this much. In the next class I will discuss more. Have a good day. Thank you.